Payday loans, usage, and how it can affect you. When you consider the state of the current economy, jobs being lost, houses being foreclosed on, and people just wondering in some cases where the next meal is coming from, you might think that payday loans usage is something that you should use more often. After all, living expenses seems to keep rising, and wages, well, not so much. However, this is not rising as quickly as you may imagine. Indeed, many people have taken the old action and doing more with less to heart and are looking for ways to cut expenses while trying to maintain a decent standard of living. That said, there are always occasions where something unexpected comes up. But even though this can happen, it pays to consider how continual payday loans usage can affect you and your family. Consider for a moment what happens as you decide to go for a payday loan. You're more than not upset, sometimes frantic depending on the emergency. As such, you may not be in the proper frame of mind to apply. Your state of mind plays an important role in everyday life and governs how the world around you reacts to you. This is even more relevant in business dealings. And that is exactly what payday loans usage is, a business contract between you and the lender. Now, why is there so much emphasis placed on having a cool state of mind? Simple. You may wind up overcompensating and applying for and getting more than you need. On the one hand, this is understandable as you want to be prepared for the next time. But if you take a step back and consider the future, you may just want to apply for only what you need to solve the current crisis. Why? The more you take, the more you will have to pay back. And the reason you're applying in the first place is because you don't currently have the funds yourself. So, when considering payday loans usage, why would you want to owe more money than you need to? Another thing to consider is that you need to be able to pay back the loan as expediently as possible, as there are interest charges to consider. In fact, this can add up to be more than the principal of the loan, if not paid off in a timely fashion. Something else you may want to consider is the effect of getting a large payday loan will have on your family. Any trips or special times you may have been planning for may need to be postponed in order to pay off the loan. And should you get a larger loan than needed, the temptation will be to use that money in frivolities as above. In short, payday loans usage is something that you need to step back and think about regardless of the current crisis you're facing, for it is a decision that will have an effect. That said, if you work with your lender to set up a repayment schedule that fits into your monthly budget and stick to it, then this is something that should not worry you. Brought to you by www.usapayDayForever.com.